will go to Italy. As soon as it started raining, everybody went to the cafeteria. There was just one car going round and round in the rain, and that was Max. As long as his fingers weren't completely frozen, he had to drive.
That's what my dad said, come on, toughen up a bit. You have to bite through it. If you're cold, put your fingers on the exhaust, like before the glass started melting. And then go out again.
It's such a fine touch driving in the wet. It's so delicate. It's like dancing on ice. In a young age from go-karting, you trained so much with Jos in those conditions. I think Max is just good in feeling where the limit is of your car.
Hey, let's have a bit of fun. I mean, we're anyway going to be second there, so...
Taking contact with us to that off now. The spray behind us. Now see Max Verstappen.